It has been brought to our notice that during the discussion or after the introduction of the amendments by the Revenue Minister in the Legislative Assembly, Mr. Ganesh Gaonkar, a BJP MLA, moved a further amendment to provide for land to be given to landless children of shareholders or components without auction. We from the Comunidade are very disturbed about this and condemn this type of an amendment which is only meant to open a back door to the migrants and non-Goans to get land in the state. Because you remember that shareholders can buy shares of the Comunidade which are tradable. And that is not the exclusive prerogative of only Goans or Jonoerush, who are the Gaonkars. So the government, we hope that the government doesn't go ahead with this amendment, and we will be meeting the governor to withhold his assent not only to this amendment to the current amendments, but to all the amendments that have been hurriedly passed by the Legislative Assembly, much against the very spirit, letter and spirit of the Code of Comunidades. Thank you.